Here's Toyotero, one more video, and today we are going to clean, power wash this T-40 transmission, 1979 Toyota Corolla T-40. This thing looks like it was painted gloss black. I mean, there's so much dirt on it. I don't think it's ever been cleaned. Look at that thing. So we're going to power wash it. And want to see how clean. I sprayed it with that guy right there and a little bit of this guy right here, and we'll see what happens once we turn that guy on. And let's take a peek. Well, here we go. Looks a lot better. Looks a lot better. Looks a lot better. So that really wasn't dirt. If anybody knows, Toyota would put undercoating. And I'm not sure this was done at the plant or at the dealership, but they put a lot of undercoating. So whatever's left there is pure undercoating. I mean, that thing is thick. So I got a little bit more work. But that's going to be it for today. There you have it. Looks a lot better than you did earlier. All right. Toyota says, see you later.